Hey y'all, what's good, what's popping? So I'm going to be doing my cousin's hair. I know, different content. I've got a male, yay. Don't mind me, I look crusty, okay? He's looking crusty. He's gotta go, okay? We got things to do. But anyway, he has cut the back of his hair, just like so, right? And on this side, now he has rocking, screw things. So now we are so now he has his hair right now in 3-strand braids. So I'm going to undo them, and then we're going to move to the shower. I'll do close-ups of his condition, of like how his hair is looking in a minute. Okay, he's just gonna sit here like my model. Okay, and yay, that's it. Okay, cool. It's in.
Yeah, and so you know or whatever.
I could say it's 3 weeks.
Hey, I'm talking to you.
Oh, hi.
How does it feel to be tall?
Feels interesting. I can see on top of people's heads. That's something I never get an opportunity to do, so it feels great. Feels strange at the same time.
After.
Achter.
Not just go out. Oh. Don't worry, it's just water. It's just water. Okay, there we go. I had a towel. Oh, it smells. Grab a random piece. I'm going to be starting by using the Afrobotanics leave-in conditioner. I've already reviewed this. I'll link it up there for you. And then I'm going to follow that up with some oils. You can, use your favorite oils. This is my own personal mixture that has herbs and spices. And then I'm going to put the shea butter from Afrobotanics. I've also reviewed this shea butter. I didn't like it on my hair. We will see how his hair reacts, but I don't think there should be an issue. And then I'm just going to be doing a normal twist. You guys will notice that whenever you do a twist compared to a 3-strand braid, the 3-strand braid will provide you with more length compared to the twist. However, I find that whenever my hair is in a 3-strand twist, it tangles up at the ends, like it locks itself much quicker compared to a twist. So I struggled when I had to finger detangle his hair because it had a lot of knots, and he has kept his old braids for about 4 weeks and they had a lot of knots. So I felt like maybe let's try to do a twist and see how that will go. He has the kind of like the circumference of his hair, the outer side is quite short compared to the top. It's much longer, as you guys can tell. It has more length, and then yeah, this is basically it. If I also have a tutorial on how to twist your hair, so don't be too stressed if you can't really see a close-up. I will link that up for you guys, and then you guys can go check out for yourself and teach yourself how to basically twist. And yeah, this is basically it, guys. It's like 6 a.m. in the morning. It's actually 5:55 and I'm busy editing this video. I'm so tired. I'm so tired, guys. But basically this is how you twist the hair. Then we're just going to use some bobby pins so that the hair dries out in the direction that he wants. And obviously, again, because these are twists, they will shrink up, but guys, there's more than enough length here. So yeah, and then I'm just, if I had a do-rag, this is a good time. If you want to send me a do-rag, do that. But I'm just going to use what we have, because on this channel, we use what we have, okay? No time to complain and say we don't have it, okay? And that's
okay.
it. The big reveal. Yay! See, it looks nice.
Yo.
Okay, is this how you wanted it?
Yo, this is like dope.
This is how his twists look like. Very neat. And they're not completely dry yet, so some of them are still like, you know, facing all directions, like different directions and stuff. But this is how his hair looks with a, you know, as long as if he trains his hair to wear like a duke at night, he should be good to go. Okay, my people, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know I was not in it, but your girl is looking crusty. My fingers were the ones that were like, you know, magic fingers. That's what was happening. I've got a pimple over there. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. You know, I thought maybe I could cater to the guys, do something different. I'll probably be doing this kind of content also like next year, where I bring people over and do their hair and pretend like this is an online salon, and maybe you guys could probably book me, come over to my house and I will do your hair. Look at how all my braids be looking. So anyway, I had to borrow Linda's room because mine doesn't have enough space, guys. It's just intense. Maybe I should start doing hauls in here.